20th Century Fox Bloopers 55. Alright. Cue the logo. Yes. Oh, look! It's our video! The one that was published on the first day we were there. Be quiet. Why does it say celebrating 75 years? Because I wish it was 75 years still because I love 2010. Oh yeah. Okay, please stop. Come on, I'm not gonna be waiting for you so much. Cut. Why does it say 21st Century Tiago was up? Because it's so funny. I love it. No, it's not 21st Century Tiago was up. It's 20th Century Fox. Get rid of first. Leave the 2 there. Put 0th and get rid of Tiago was up and put Fox. And make it look realistic. Fine. Here's 20th Century Fox. You really think that's 20th Century Fox? Why does it say 22nd year celeb? Because I was going to trick you into actually putting in 20th Century Fox, but no. Well, you have to put on the choice. Oh yeah, well, I don't have to pick 20th Century Fox then. Yay, I don't have to listen to you. No, it's my choice if you don't get to pick 20th Century Fox. But you have to. I'm the boss of this whole entire studio. Isn't that right, audience? Well, I hope someday you'll turn into a kid. Yeah, so I can be older than you. Well, it's never gonna happen, so I'm sorry. Now, this is the level. Why does it say 21st? Because everything is blank except for the structure. All it says is just 21st and that's it. Put 20th Century Fox and put the background in it. Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Pictures Inc.? Because it's better than 20th Century Fox because I like the way it is. No, you don't just do that. Why does it say see McDonald's box? Because yay, I love it. I love it. I love the old times. I love it. I love it. I love the old times. No, you weren't even born in them. You know, if you're older than me, then you run that place. But you can go to other studio. You can go to the other studio and work there if you want. Really? No. Why? Because you are responsible of doing things for me. That is the world's horriblest 20th Century Fox thing. No, it's not. The 20th Century Fox cardboard looks really cool. Well, no, it doesn't. Are you jealous? No. Look at all that. Look at it. This is not the way it's supposed to be. It has to look the way it's supposed to be on the 20th Century Fox logo. Doesn't it, audience? You know, not everything matters. Yes, it does in this studio. Okay? So how about you stop toasting me or I'll toast you? You think you're gonna toast me? Well, how about I toast you back? Cut! Why does it say 20th Century Disney? And why is it so fast? Because I like it. 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 2 million years later. Oh, Mary, Mother of God, you've been saying that for 200 years. 2 million years, and you still didn't stop. Well, you got to. I just loved it so much. Okay, last chance. Oh, thank you. Thank you for getting it right. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. Now, get out of here before you're toast. I'm not going to be toast. You're going to be toast.